Hello everybody and welcome back to Throttle Grotto. This week we're saying goodbye to the Boxsturd. Stay tuned. Yes everybody, it is true. We are saying goodbye this week to one of the long-term, well, 2 years, which is actually pretty good in my rotation. One of the long-term cars in the fleet here, the Porsche 986, the Boxster, aka the Boxsturd. Man, it's been a fun journey having this car, being able to take it out and experience it on the track, being able to just drive it around, just have a Porsche in my garage for a little bit. But now it's time for this car to go away. So it's okay. I feel good about it. I'm actually going to pay some bills with the money I'm getting from this. I'm not putting another car in this space right away. But so I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. Been spending a lot more time outside, riding my bike, paddling my kayak, running, all that kind of stuff. It's nice out. I really want to enjoy the summer. And it kind of gave me some time to think, and I decided that it's time to downsize. So yes, that means the Boxster's going away. There's been a lot of other things happening behind the scenes here. Stuff I'm not really going to talk about on camera. But there's been a lot of good things happening lately. And it's kind of causing me to rethink a lot of stuff. And so this car's going away. The gray Datsun's going away. So we're thinning the fleet here a little bit. But it's okay. The Boxster is going to a great home. Had a lady message me on Facebook, and she came out and looked at the car. And the car, apparently her late father had Porsches, and she saw the car, reminded her of him. She got pretty emotional, and so I sold it for less than I wanted. But that is, I feel good that this car is going to bring joy to someone else's family and give them memories of a loved one, and help them establish that connection. So unfortunately, I don't have very much to add. It's going to be a very short episode this week. I really have not been working in the garage, and I apologize for that. I know as a YouTube guy, I should be out here slanging away and getting stuff done, but sometimes you just got to take a break. So, but I will be back soon, because I have a new vehicle in the garage to talk about. And it's funny, I'm like standing in a sea of orange right now. I have an orange shirt, I have an orange car, and I have an orange motorcycle. So this is the 2017 Ducati Scrambler, and I will be taking a full episode just to talk about this bike and get you guys familiar with it, so you guys can check it out. Coming up soon. Alright, so I totally forgot that I did not film a closing for this video, but I figured I'd wrap it up with just a few pictures of the old Boxster, the Boxsturd, before it goes away. If you get a chance to try one of these cars, give it a shot. They're a pretty fun car to drive. They're not fast, but it's a fun car to drive. So I hope this car does everything that I hope it will for the new owners. And until next time, get out there and work on something.